I'm going to utilize this Tiptronic for you guys. Awesome. Hey guys, MaryAnn here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have a very hard to find Porsche. It is a 2007 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. So this is going to be your all-wheel drive sport model, which, as if a 911 Carrera wasn't sporty enough for you, here I have the 4S, and it's finished in a triple black, which is in my dictionary defined as super sexy. So anytime you find the triple black in these sports cars, you definitely doing really good. And with this matte wood mahogany color, maybe oak in your opinion, but to me it's more of a mahogany oak, matte finish wood interior. It is just an absolutely stunning vehicle. In fact, the same wood grain is on the steering wheel, which is also leather wrapped, and you'll see throughout the car on the side door panels here, including the dash, is your leather. So you have the leather and the wood grain throughout this car. So it is incredible and certainly spectacular. And you can see there the VIN sticker. We have brand new tires in this car. That's why I have it parked this way, so you can see those tires, and that's a big deal. And you have your 5-spoke Porsche wheels and your bright red, looks like racing brake calipers to me. Anytime you see those bright red brake calipers, they look awesome, mean, and fierce, just like the rest of this car. It just screams sporty, but also so incredibly classy. One thing about this car is we have owned it previously, so this is our second time owning it, and here you can see what is considered to be the trunk space. You do have your DVD, CD options, those types of things throughout this area of the car, but mainly this is going to be the largest area for your travel and trunk space. And once again, there's your beautiful tires, wheels, red brake calipers. You've got the nice sporty lines and interior. So it is a 4-seater sports car. It is actually comfortable for younger children. So if you're a couple, say with grandchildren, who come down to see you, this is definitely going to be the perfect car. Or if you're a younger couple with younger children, or even an older couple with younger children, it doesn't matter. I can tell you that children do sit very comfortably back here, and then your drunk friends who need ride homes from the bar, they sit very comfortably as well, because they don't get that option of being comfortable unless they want to call Uber or their mom, and I doubt mom's going to be entirely excited about that phone call. Here you have your quad pipes and your backup sensors as well. And underneath this part of the car, which is typically going to be our trunk space, but we all know that Porsche's got it going on here. You do have your carbon fiber, what is this called, camera guy? Airbox, there you go. It is a 3.8 liter, so it produces 355 horsepower. We have a flat 6 engine, just an awesome beast of a motor, wonderful car. And this spoiler does go up. On the drive down, I had it up, and I believe you'll be able to see that I put it down as well. And once again, this is an all-wheel drive sports car. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys how amazing it is on this rainy day. All right, so one of the most spectacular things about this is the mileage at 55,350 miles on the odometer. And again, we do have your 4S, so you've got that 4-wheel drive and your sport option, or not, I'm sorry, not 4-wheel drive, your all-wheel drive. I apologize for that. That is completely incorrect. All-wheel drive. And of course we do have the sport convertible.
You may want to turn it back off, just showing it.
Oh.
The road is bumpy here.
So this is going to be your suspension control and your sport options. I would prefer to keep it on as that, but I think that the roads are really bumpy here. Let me see. Yeah, so we have to tighten the suspension up just a little bit because it's very important. Because unfortunately
you
these
can't
roads
see the
are,
video, otherwise you're gonna be bouncing up and down.
You're all gonna be throwing up and saying I should send you Dramamine. Here's your cup holders. I love how Porsche hides these cup holders. Not every make vehicle does that, but there's always something to be said about hiding those cup holders. And here's your beautiful wood grain. It's so clear that this car has been always garage kept. That is one thing about it. You can see here through this leather dash. Again, this is our second time owning it. We know the previous owner of this car who took incredible care of it. Here's your chrono sport clock. This is going to give you your lap time should you need it or use it. And of course you have your Tiptronic options as well. So you can do your automatic driving, your Tiptronic driving, and that's always a nice option depending on what type of mood you're in, because let's be honest, sometimes you just want to chill and drive, and sometimes you really want to be on the go and sporty with it. You do have your memory seats 1, 2, and 3, and once again you can see the wood grain, the leather, and it is a Bose system, which the Bose systems in any car is always going to be one of your top-notch options. Of course, here's your mirror. A lot of times those are broken off.
Even the sunrise are full leather.
Yes, yeah. This car is undoubtedly an incredible beast. You do have your heated seats as well, and in case I didn't say it, the navigation. I know it was on the screen at one point, but I always get off talking about something else before.
It's okay. Heated seats at 82 degrees in 7-Eleven.
Don't touch mine, please.
Not even for a second.
No, it's like
baggy and humid.
I'm not really allowed to sweat when I do these videos. Yeah. It should be like a rule. But yeah, look at I don't know how this seats look in the back, but on this side. But from my angle, yeah, it's like so much room. And you know, you don't usually get that in a sports car. So that's one of the things that is a nice option.
How many horsepower?
I believe it's 355.
Let's check it out. All 355 of them.
Only at 6,000 RPM though.
Okay, I'll just grab it for a second.
Do you think I can get up there? You think so?
Yeah.
What about the driver?
The driver? I'll push your foot down here.
All right.
Go for it. What a screamer, huh?
Yes, sorry. Once I saw it going over a certain speed, I always try to let off the accelerator. I know that messes with my camera guy. He's like, I can't do my job properly.
Yeah, exactly. You're messing with me.
I know. But everybody knows that that's why. I'll do one more acceleration run on my drive back, and we'll cut it into the video. This way you guys can really see how awesome it is. Sorry, okay, I shouldn't do that. 239-263-8500. That is our phone number. I really would find it incredible if you guys subscribe to the channel. We just hit 20,000, I believe, last week, and that's an awesome threshold for us. So if you could subscribe, please do, and share this video and our page with your friends. And if you're interested in this car, give us a call and or email us, and you can find all of the information, including the Carfax on this vehicle, almost 60 photos on the website. It's going to be autohausnaples.com, and house is the German spelling of H-A-U-S. So I'm MaryAnn. I'll see you guys in the next one, and really thank you so much for watching. Stop it, it's not funny.